Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting Word ready and your data organized. Open Word and insert a blank document, then paste or type your values into a table with clear labels across the top or left column. Once done, decide the best chart type: column for comparisons, line for trends, pie for parts of a whole, because the choice affects readability. Make sure to use consistent units and remove extra decimals so the graph reads cleanly when you insert it in the next step. You'll insert the chart and immediately refine it. Go to Insert Chart. Word opens an embedded Excel window with sample data. Replace those cells with your actual values and adjust series or category ranges so labels match. Then customize. Switch chart types if needed, pick contrasting colors, toggle the legend, and add axis titles to explain units. Once done, tweak grid lines and data labels to avoid clutter. This makes the visual speak for itself and prevents misinterpretation when you share the document. You'll finish by polishing layout and verifying accuracy. Resize the chart and set text wrapping to fit your page. Add a concise caption and alt text so viewers and assistive tech understand the graphic. Once done, preview print and on-screen to confirm legibility at intended size. If the chart seems off, reopen the embedded Excel sheet, check that ranges point to the right cells, and ensure numbers are formatted consistently. This single troubleshooting step resolves most display or calculation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.